Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. EveCalma here, and to those who are new in my channel, please welcome. So today we are cooking a beef strips sugar snap peas stir fry. This is a delicious and easy to do recipe. And the ingredients are beef strips, shallots, garlic, sesame oil, soy sauce, water, oyster sauce, cornstarch, freshly ground black pepper, roasted sesame seeds, carrots cut in strips, sugar snap peas, and we are going to serve this recipe with steamed white basmati rice, which I have cooked already. Alright, so let's get started and follow along. We are seasoning our beef strips first. Half a teaspoon of table salt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and mix well. After mixing well, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well again. After done mixing, set them aside. Seasoning them separately will give a nice flavor to our recipe. Okay, so we'll set them aside and we'll get our sugar snap peas ready. So I have already cleaned them up, and so what we are going to do now is to actually just cut both ends before we stir fry them. And it's easier to eat this way. Easy, huh? There you go. And ignore my finger. The other day I cut it by accident. It happens. So they're all done now. So we'll put them aside, back in our bowl. And we are going to make a little gravy or sauce for our recipe. So in here I have made a gravy for our recipe, and I have half a cup of water in here, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And we are going to start cooking our stir fry recipe. So keep on watching and follow along. So begin with high heat and add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Heat it up for about a minute or so. Add half of the garlic and half of the shallots, and just stir fry them until it's about a minute or so, or until the aroma comes out. We will cook the beef strip first. Make sure you separate them well. So cook the beef for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stirring once or twice and covering the pot to make sure they're all cooked evenly. Good. Oh my gosh. Smells so good. Okay, so continue cooking until the 5 minutes is completed. Good. Without covering it. So yummy. Add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Okay. Mix well. Don't you just love the sound of it? The sound of the sizzling. It smells so good as well. So we are going to put these aside since they are cooked now. And we are going to cook the rest of the ingredients. Smells so good and it's so yummy. And keep on watching, everyone. I am going to be also eating them, so I will have an eating show as well after I cook them. Alright? So there we go. So yummy. Oh my. Okay. So add the remaining sesame oil. Good. So do not overcook the sugar snap peas. You want it crunchy and it's not overcooked. Okay, so now we will add our gravy. So remain on high heat. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Oh my goodness. 1 to 2 minutes are enough to cook our sugar snap peas. Yummy. Add the freshly ground black pepper, which are just half a teaspoon. Turn the heat off and it's now ready to serve. Add half a teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds, and the other half is for our toppings when we add the beef. Okay, it's time to serve our yummy beef strips, sugar snap peas, stir fry, delicious recipe. Okay, now we'll add our beef on top. Oh my goodness, so good. Okay, here you go. And it smells so good. Let me try the beef. add the rest of the sesame seeds. And voila, we are ready to eat. And this is optional, by the way. You don't need to put half of a lemon juice if you don't need to, but I am adding lemon juice anyway for our recipe, for our dinner, okay? So it's up to you, okay? So the best part is to try what I cook, and I must have rice with this recipe. Although you can eat them as they are, it's up to you. You can either put them on the side. Good. Yummy, yummy. Or you can put them on top. Yum. Okay, my family, it's time to eat. Mommy is always late in this house. Good. I purposely did not eat lunch today because I'm waiting for this recipe to eat. So good. The lemon and everything just tastes so good. I hope you try this at home. My family is camera shy, so they're quiet right behind this camera. Look. Almost gone. How's my friends doing? Are you guys hungry yet? So good. So if you want to make your menu spicy, you can add hot sauce, which what I'll be doing right now. So me, because I love spicy food, so to me this is not spicy, so I'm adding a hot sauce. Something is missing because I love spicy food, so I find that this food, something is missing. I did not make this food spicy, by the way. This is actually a big platter for me, but I'm eating them all. I did not eat lunch today. The food is yummy. So good. They want more and they're shy to come, so let me just take some and giving them. Good. That was good to the last drop. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like, share, drop a comment. And if you have not done already, please subscribe and turn the bell next to it. Happy cooking, and I hope you all have a great week ahead. Cheers to good health, happiness, and success. Cheers. Shoutouts is next.